we'll guide you through how to add your Twitch follower account in OBS. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
To get started, just go ahead and open any browser to your liking, and then just go ahead and search for Stream Elements. And once you have searched for it, just go to the official website for it and then choose to log in, and then log in with your Twitch account. And after logging in, on the left hand side, just go ahead and select drop down for streaming tools, and then here choose overlay. And now just go ahead and click on create new overlay. You can just go ahead and select your overlay resolution. After that, click on start. Click on add widget and you'll see label and go to followers. I'm just gonna go ahead and go with total and then choose total follower count. This icon will appear. Now you can just drag the handles at the corners and then resize it to your liking, just like that. After that, at the left hand side, you will see the editor. Here you can just go ahead and click on the drop down for any of them and then choose the options to your liking, like opacity, rotation, and you can also go to text setting and then choose your font from here, set the color for it, just like that. So just go ahead and customize it to your liking, and once you're happy with how it looks, just go ahead and click on save and then name your overlay and click on save. After that, just go ahead and copy the overlay URL by clicking on this icon. After that, return to OBS Studio and now go to the scene where you want to add your overlay. After that, click on the plus icon for sources and then here choose the option for browser, and you can rename your source and click on OK. And then in the URL field, just go ahead and press Ctrl A and backspace to delete the pre-existing, and then press Ctrl V to paste what we copied earlier, and you can click on OK. And now you can see the total follower count has successfully appeared.